Here we are asked to find the value of x. My first step is to locate the letter x, which I can see is on the right hand side of my equation, and it has a base of 2. Therefore I need to rewrite everything on the left hand side of my equation as a single base of 2. Well, here on the left I have 2 to the power 7 plus 2 to the power 7. These are like terms, as they have the same base and the same power. Hence, one lot add another one lot will give me 2 lots of 2 to the power 7. And I've still got 2 to the power x on the right hand side of my equation. Well, I know that 2 is the same as 2 to the power 1. We're multiplying and we've got the same base. Laws of indices, we keep the base the same and we add our powers. Here 1 add 7 gives us 8. So 2 to the power 8 equals 2 to the power x. I now have the same base, so I can just simply equate the powers. In this case, x is equal to 8.